So it looks like text messages have disappeared again from my iPhone. Last time that I did a video on this showing over here, let's see, that was 4 months ago. I said my iPhone text messages disappear, and the iPhone was telling me to authenticate my Apple account. And when I did, I lost my text messages. Well, that's not what happened this time. This time I turned my phone off at night because I don't like hearing the notifications that come over, and so I turned it on this morning, and there's no text messages. So I'm just figuring out. I'm going to try right now, live, real time, to see if I can get them back. So I'm going to switch over here to my computer number 3 again. I've got a connection to my cell phone, and so let's go into text messages here and see what is going on. There's one message. That's all. That's the entire database of my text messages. It's 6:06 a.m. today, and that was just turning my phone on. So here I'm going to go ahead and turn the phone off, and let's see what kind of view this gives me. So then the phone is off, and then turn it back on again, and let's see if the text messages come back. The comments that have come in on that video have, some people have said restarting their phone did not fix their text messages. So I'm going to see what's going on here. So here's the Apple emblem. It's coming back up. Let's see, how about if we go this way? Yeah, that works fine. So, of course, restarting the phone lost the connection to my computer number 3, but it's quick to get that back. So when I get the phone up here, let's see. Don't look. Yeah, whatever. So then I can go here and I swipe up and then screen mirroring, and that should bring it back to my computer number 3 here in a moment. I tell which computer I want to connect to, and here it comes up on my computer number 3. Then press my home button again, and then text messages down the bottom right, second from the left, right, that little thought bubble kind of thing. Touch that and see, there they are, they're back. Very good. So that worked. For those that doesn't work, I don't know what to say. I'm just putting out this video. Here's what worked for me. So I hope that was useful. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.